Hello everyone, this is Aisha and welcome to our 73rd Kotlin tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys about the is and not is operator. So this is and not is operator is actually used to check the data type of the variable at runtime. And then we have the not is operator, which is the negated version of the is operator. So now let's create a variable of string data type, and here I'm going to assign a string to it. Then I'm going to use the if condition. If s is string, so we have used the keyword is here. Now this keyword is will check if this s is of string data type or not, and if it is of string data type we will have print s is a string, and if it is not a string data type we will have an else part, s is not a string. So now we have used this is operator to check the data type of the variable s at runtime, and if the variable s is of string data type then we will have this statement executed, and if it is not of string data type then this statement will be executed. Now run. And you can see here s is a string. So now we have the negated version of is. Here we will put an exclamation mark, then this will become a negated version of is. So by default this if condition will not be executed and we will have s is not a string. This is because is will be negated here. You can see the result is false. Now run. And you have s is not a string. This is because not of is the negated version of the is operator. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.